All right, we still have some working going on out here. We're almost finished. These are more toddler ride-ons, just like they were in this section. They start off in this section as well. All right, then let's move to the tabletops again. Pretty much the same. We just have extended it so much further.
Yes, love more tables means we can spread out the toys a lot better. Shifting a little bit, on that side over there was the jumperoos. On this side, we've got all your extra saucers. So they're going to go on the tabletops on this side.
And then more
toys down this way.
Yep, all the infant toys.
All that.
So again, infant is in this section, and then it just carries over to more infant. And I just wanted to point out this wonderful space between these sections. So we've got lots of good space there. Oh, here's the stick ponies. Stick ponies here and here. So right next to the ball poppers.
Okay, so this carries on over from, the aisle that had your PJ Masks and Paw Patrol and Bluey, where it's going to continue on this direction, but we're starting with Coco Melon and Elmo, all your Sesame Street, Disney Junior, that goes down this direction. And then your Laugh and Learn cars are what's on the tabletop up here, followed by Laugh and Learn food trucks.
Perfect. And then of course behind you is still more extra saucers like we showed you on the other side.
And then down on this end, it's those Laugh and Learn chairs. Sometimes, they're yellow or blue or pink, so all those are up here.
And of course, we always get a bunch of those. Mr. Potato Head here, Gabby's Dollhouse. Again, the Laugh and Learn, and because these ladies out here are so phenomenal, again, look, maps on each side, so that's going to really help a lot.
So down this aisle, we've got preschool trains, preschool cars and trucks, some
All
preschool
preschool.
sports games, sensory toys, farm animals, all preschool toys, like Tracy said.
And again, yay, Hallelujah Chorus playing.
All right, getting back into the girls' toys, we've got your Disney character, Lilo and Stitch, Trolls, all those Disney type dolls and characters. On the opposite side here, we've got your Doc McStuffins and Frozen, Disney princesses. Vanities will go on the tabletops up here.
Lots of Disney. And then we get to Barbie's Dream House.
Yeah. I believe Barbie's.
Yeah, there's some more Barbies
Dream
too.
houses.
Good. So again, more like Polly Pockets and the mini brands. I think those are so cute. Squinkies and Squishes and Poppets and all of that kind of stuff down here. On this side, again, a continuation. We've got horses and ponies. On the top, large Batman stuff, superhero large, dinosaurs.
We've got the dress up and the cleaning sets, play food, toy vacuums, all of that stuff's on this side.
Play registers. To infinity and beyond. I'm glad you moved that trash can because it kind of smelled like the dinosaurs have been out here.
All right, so we got trains, Thomas the Train. Airplane.
So a little bit different. Let me point this out, Sarah, if you don't care. The cars right here are from the movie, okay, so that it's not Hot Wheels. This is Lightning McQueen. What does he say? Oh, goodness, I forgot. Somebody needs to tell me. Oh, anyway, and then Thomas the Train will have other cars and stuff later. Same thing like Sarah was saying, the John Deere and tractors. Here's where we have.
Yeah, so here's where we start getting into other types of cars. So your remote control cars, cars and trucks that aren't Cars the movie.
Perfect.
Superheroes, Spider-Man, Batman, Marvel toys, all that.
Ka-chow! That's it, sorry.
There you go. So that's opposite from the cars and trucks and Hot Wheels.
Sorry if I scared y'all. All right, remember we were talking about the bath stuff on the other end. Here is the beach, where the beach towels go.
So yeah, it's right next to where the floaties and little infant pool floats. So
continues on right down here.
So
Good.
Beach toys, sand toys, all the other swim related toys.
Basketball goes on top.
All your goggles, dive toys, all that kind of stuff.
Goodness, makes me want to go to the lake.
I know, right?
Okay, on this side, here's those little Smart Shot things that'll go on top. Marble Run, Lincoln Logs, Bristol Blocks, all of that connects. That's down here on the opposite side where the sprinklers are.
Okay, right, and then the rest of the sporting goods are on the back side of those swimming pool toys. So any gymnastics equipment, football pads, shin guards, baseball gloves and bats, all of that is on the back side here, the very back.
So again, remember down there in the shoe cabinets, we have all the Nerf and the swings you can hang from a tree. And so again, it just kind of carries on with all the outdoor stuff down here. Now, quick quiz. What was down there at that end? We had those kids' tables and chairs, right? Where you start and run all the way down
to the end. There you go. So all between these two arrows are all the matching kid table and chair sets.
So we have instructions on both ends, so there's no confusion. Same thing here.
Same thing. Very nice job the ladies did on marking these aisles. The heavy tent swings, large furniture, dressers and armoires down this way.
Looks like we have one more.
Rafts, toddler beds and cots and large wooden furniture. So if you get any bunk beds or any of those types of things, they'll be in this area back here.
Perfect. So let's walk out just a little bit and show where big ticket pickup is.
Ooh, yeah.
So normally, you know, we drove through here, but woohoo, we have stuff here now. So big ticket pickup is out this side. So the Expo Center has done a great job of widening this area, and we will have a tent out here for all the big ticket pickup stuff. We'll have tables, the toy corral, it's all going to be out here. So
so the vehicles will just drive down this direction, and then, you know, our team will come and load their cars up going this way, and then they'll just head right on out.
Yep, perfect. And if you can see down there, let me zoom in a little bit, we have lots of signs, because if you remember, people have tried, you know, they've started parking down this way. So we put no parking signs, and we have kind of blocked it off a little bit, so this is an exit only. So people cannot come in this way. It's only the exit for big ticket pickup. Also, we have sandwich boards down here and where people would normally turn in to drive through the pavilion. But we have given or put out really great signage just to come this way. All right, perfect. All right, I'm going to stop this one and we'll do another one in a second.